200 years ago, there was an industrial revolution. Children, as young as 4, used to work in the coal mines as door boys and door girls. It was dark and dangerous work. They worked for 12 hours a day.
Sometimes they were hungry, and sometimes they got lost in the pitch-black darkness.
Was that a proper life for a child?
Children worked 6 days a week and sometimes worked night shifts.
The only day off was Sunday.
Canals are man-made. Thomas Stadford Jr. designed the Monmouthshire Canal.
Men called navigators used picks, shovels and wheelbarrows to construct the canal.
The locks were made from stone. Nobody knows exactly where the stone came from. Maybe some of the stone came from Newport Castle.
A lock is a water lift.
Locks allow boats to go up and down.
There were 32 locks between Crumlin and Newport.
So many were needed because Crumlin is much higher than Newport.
It is difficult to believe now that the canal was very, very busy when it was first constructed.
In fact, it was so busy that gas lighting was installed at 14 locks so that the locks could be used at night.
Only men worked at night. No horses were allowed.
1 horse, 1 boat and 2 boatmen could transport the same amount as about 160 horses.
That was incredible at the time.
And was very eco-friendly.
Before the coming of the canal,
Newport was just a small town with about 750 people.
People came from everywhere to live and work in Newport. It was a boom town.
200 years ago, there were no aeroplanes, cars, lorries and helicopters.
Sailing ships were needed to transport the coal and pig iron.
Newport became a big seaport. Ships from Newport went all around the world.